Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making fisherman soup. This is a much requested video. This recipe is going to be quick and easy, okay? Let's get into the video. The first thing we want to do is add all our seafood into a pot except for the periwinkles. So we would add the fish, prawns, crabs, ngolo, which is also known as snail meat, and some snails. Permit that my snails are chopped. That was all I had and I needed to make this video. Then we will add some water, some fresh pepper. You can use any kind of pepper that you like. Some seasoning powder for extra flavor. Then I'll just add a little bit of onion salt just to balance the flavor of the soup. I'll cover it and let it cook for a few minutes. After a few minutes, this is what it would look like. I mean, you don't have to cook fish or seafood for too long. They cook pretty quickly. Then I will take out the fish because I'm starting the proper cooking process now and I don't want to break my fish. It's really delicate. Also, this is catfish that I use for this recipe. You can use any kind of fish. This was the fish that was available to me at the time of making this video. Then in the broth, we add some palm oil and just mix it together. Never mind, it's going to cook for a few minutes and that would kind of cook the palm oil. Then you want to add your crayfish and stockfish powder. I will do a video on how to make stockfish powder. It's really simple, but it's a must in soups like this, particularly Nigerian soups, because it gives it like that authentic local flavor. You want to mix your fish and stockfish powder, then mix your thickener, which is achi anofo, with water. It would look like a paste, and then you just want to drop that paste in your boiling soup. Never mind how it's looking now. It would go through quite a few processes before we get it to the consistency that we want. So I'm just mixing it now, and you can see it's already forming some kind of lumps, which I would break apart very easily. Just take the lumps and just kind of break them by the side of the pot like I'm doing right now. It's pretty simple, or you could do it any way you want to do. Sometimes you could just take out all the lumps and break them apart separately in a bowl, but this is the easiest way to do it in the pot. This is what it looks like already. When all the lumps have been broken, you see that we have a velvety consistency. We have a velvety consistency right now. Then I will be adding the periwinkles. As you know, periwinkles, this kind has already been cooked, so you want to add it last so you don't overcook it. After I add my periwinkles, I will be adding some bitter leaves. So this bitter leaves I'm using was the dry one. I soaked it in hot water, chopped it and washed it a little bit before adding it in my soup. This is the only leaf you want to use for this soup if you want to get the authentic fisherman soup, okay? Now I'll just be adding my fish back to my soup. Now I want to cook the fish some more, just for like 3 to 5 minutes, just so that the flavor of the soup can get into the fish. Don't forget that we already seasoned and cooked the fish earlier, so your fish is going to be really flavorful. If you've watched this video up until this time, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Also, I shake the pots when you're cooking fish that is delicate like this. You don't want to keep stirring it for too long, so you shake it up a little bit, and then I just kind of scoop the soup over the fish to get it really coated. Then I'll cover it and let it cook for like 5 minutes. Like I said, this is what it would look like. It would be bubbling when it's cooked. And that is it, guys. Your fisherman soup is ready. Until next time, have a good one, guys. Bye.